Ready to rock your automation game? Forget limited workflows and capped executions. If you want high-value, low-cost n8n automation with endless possibilities, you need Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting. Here's the novel opportunity. Hostinger offers KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plans for self-hosted n8n. And here's where it gets life-changing. When you purchase any of these plans using my special partnership checkout link, you'll receive an extra 20% discount. With a regular coupon code, you'd only get 10% off. That means you're getting double the discount with my automatically applied code. So what do you need to do? I've provided automatic coupon codes for all available countries in the description box and comment section, organized by your country, currency, and language. Once you click on your country's coupon code link, you'll land on Hostinger's official website. On the right side of the nav bar, click on Self-Hosted n8n. There, you'll find all of Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS plans. You can choose any plan according to your needs. My 20% discount applies to all of them. I'm going with the KVM2 plan, and as you can see, my 20% discount is automatically applied at checkout. Pro tip: always go with the maximum duration because Hostinger doesn't provide renewal coupon codes. Important note, try using a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to grab this discount deal. Enjoy the most discounted self-hosted n8n VPS hosting with Hostinger. Thanks, my friends. Love you and love n8n.